It's June the 8th, in the tail end of Cristobal, the tropical storm. Sorry about the wind. It's been a lot windier than this the last couple of days. You can see we got lots of rain, and I just kind of want to check on the garden, see if anything's tore up or doing well. Looks like the squash is good and watered at least. These muscadines are just heavy laden, to say the least. It's huge. What are we doing over here? The native bed's looking good. Some new varieties there. Oh boy. Well, it looks like the cherry tomato plant is broken. Let's just take that on off. I let it get too big anyways, so I'll say that's my fault. I see some ripe tomatoes in there. This looks like it took a pretty good beating over here. This particular plant is pretty broken, so I'll have to come out here and probably just pull that up. So I'll take the blame for that though. This one's doing pretty good. Peppers are kind of leaned over. I have them staked up with some sticks and whatnot. I think they've done pretty good considering 50-mile-an-hour winds. Looks like we lost a pepper here. We got some much bigger ones on the vine still. I came out and put these tomato cages on the Tabasco peppers because they weren't staked up, and I'm glad I did. Looks like they handled it pretty well. More of the cherry tomato over here. Now I'll come out here and cut all that out. Oh, that pepper's no good, but looks like we still got some peppers on the vine. Look at this crazy cucumber. The thing, it's up and over and all over. It's even coming up tomato trellis. I just let it go because why not? I've got so many pickles already. Look, can you see that that giant cucumber in there? We just picked this thing like 2 days ago, so all this rain in particular is going to make them swell. You see the Cherokee purple has leaned over. Picked all the okra off here a day or two ago, a couple of days ago. And okra's kind of leaned over. It's leaned out that way. It's like my zucchini took a little bit of a beating. That's nature, folks. You know, look at there. One of my tomatoes off the vine. You know, what are you gonna do? You have to roll with the punches, right? So come out here and figure things out. Just kind of want to see what I'm dealing with. Here's a cucumber. There's another one. There's another one. Another one. Gosh, I gotta stop standing out here counting cucumbers. I'll be out here all day. Let's see, the cantaloupes. How are we doing in here? There's one. There's one. There's one. I guess getting closer to ripe. So there's some more over there on that side. They're fine. They're low lying. These things took a beating though. But you know, that's kind of okay with me. I've got more zucchini than I know what to do with. I did make some bread and butter zucchini and squash pickles, and they are really good. That's the watermelons. You can see the watermelons are kind of dying back. I'm not sure. I'm not a watermelon professional. But the ones that are on there seem to be healthy. So these tomatoes took a beating. I had them staked up or tied up to the fence, but you see that's come undone. Might end up just picking these and calling it a season for those things. I have eaten a couple, and boy, they're delicious. We had to come out here and drain the pool several times. It's got a lot of debris in it. Fortunately, I don't have any large trees around here. There's a lot of water on the ground. Duh, we got 6 inches of rain yesterday. A little tangerine tree survived. Comfrey's looking good. Peach tree survived. The grass is high, to say the least. What else? How's the figs doing? Got debris all over the yard. The figs are still on there. That's good. Blackberries are just hanging out until the fall. Harvested a lot of these grapes, y'all, and they are pretty delicious. To be honest with you, these things are yummy. Sweet. Got more grapes up there. They're quite yummy. Here's a bunch back here I didn't even know I had. So, they hung on the vine pretty well. That's nice. I'm gonna get one more because it's so good. The Olympian fig is doing well. Got a number of figs on it now. Oh goodness, look. I didn't even see these. These are overripe. So this one may not be, but this one sure is. And there's another one under there. I'll go give it to the chicken. She loves those things. So, well, that's what's going on in my backyard. I'm still grateful. We've harvested quite a bit of peppers, tomatoes, and of course cucumbers, squash, zucchini. Some of it's gonna have to come out now just because we had some storm damage, but I'm grateful that I had it. I think it was a good season for those particular items, and there's gonna be more planting done this summer, so it's not over by far, guys. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, happy gardening. There you go, Gert. You like the figs, don't you, boo? There you go, Gert.